How to download preferences on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to download preferences on Facebook mobile. First thing I'm gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here in the top corner and then go down, click settings and privacy and then settings, and now just go down and click download your information and then click this one, this select all, and then go down and select preferences and now just click select data range, format, media quality, and then click create file, and after you click on it just wait until the file created. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.